Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni. Let's look at today's top headlines. Rupees 1.25 crore compensation slapped on radiologist for failing to diagnose structural anomalies in Anomaly scan. Holding a Nagpur-based radiologist guilty for his failure to detect structural anomalies of the fetus at 17 to 18 weeks, the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission has directed him along with the scan center to pay rupees 1.25 crore to the parents of the deformed child for his welfare, future expenses for treatment and purchase of limb prostheses. Such a decision was taken by the Apex Consumer Court after it considered all the relevant facts, evidence on record, and also took note of the opinion given by the AIMS Expert Medical Board. The order read that the amount shall be kept in the form of fixed deposit in any nationalized bank in the name of Master Chidanand till he attains majority. The parents can draw periodic interest on the FD for the regular health checkup, treatment and welfare of their child. The opposite parties shall pay rupees 1 lakh towards the legal expenses. NEET PG 2022 results declared. Ending the suspense around the NEET PG 2022 examination, the National Board Examinations has declared the results of the exam that was held a few days ago. The result of NEET PG indicating the score obtained by the candidates and the NEET PG 2022 rank has been declared and now can be seen at NBEMS website. The merit position for all India 50% quota seats shall be declared separately. The final merit list, category-wise merit list for state quota seats shall be generated by the states and union territories as per their qualifying eligibility criteria, applicable guidelines and regulations. Individual scorecard of the candidates who appeared for the NEET PG can be downloaded from the website on or after 8th of June. Government to allow parallel submission of marketing and manufacturing approvals. Through recent Gazette notification, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has issued a draft of certain rule to amend the Drug Rules 1945, allowing parallel submission of application for grant of renewal of manufacturing and sales license serum, hormones, vaccines, toxins, antitoxin, and other biological and special products, and applications for grant of manufacturing permission for new drugs under the New Drugs and Clinical Trial Rules 2019, and the application for approval to manufacture new drugs under Rule 122B of the Drug Rules. The move is intended to streamline the process of applying for new pharmaceuticals and shorten the time it takes for these applications to be approved. In this regard, a draft notification proposes to add a sub-rule under Rule 75(3) that requires the licensing authority to submit an application in Form 27D for the grant or renewal of the license to manufacture, sell or to distribute drugs in large volume, parenteral sera, vaccines and rDNA-derived drugs. Kidney racket busted in Delhi. A gang that allegedly lured homeless and needy people to sell kidneys and carried out illegal transplants across Delhi NCR was busted by police on Wednesday. 10 people, including a private city-based doctor, were arrested after multiple raids held in Delhi, Sonipat and Gohana. Investigators said that the gang members used to visit hospitals, railway stations, bus stands and religious places in search of poor and vulnerable people sleeping outside and would then try to lure them to sell their kidneys. Sources said in the past 6 months, more than 15 illegal transplants have been deducted. DCP of South, Vinita Mary Jagger, said that the gang formed social media groups to lure people. They offered rupees 1 to 3 lakh for a kidney and would sell it for rupees 10 to 15 lakh. They used to target young men in desperate need of money. Amount paid by insurance company to hospital under medical policy should be deducted while computing final amount of compensation, said High Court. While considering a plea by insurance company, the Madras High Court recently clarified that compensation for medical expenses is a matter of reimbursement and hence, once the insurance company has chosen to compensate the victim of road accident for medical expenses, the same cannot be once again claimed under the Motor Vehicles Act. Reiterating its order judgment, the High Court bench comprising of Justice Tika Raman thus opined that the amount paid by the insurance company directly to the hospital under medical policy coverage should be deducted by the Motor Accident Tribunal for computing the final amount of compensation. That's all for today. Stay safe.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.